Hey, what's up guys, VGI Cooks here. The Tron Type C cable. The main reason why I bought this one is because it's got the L-type configuration on the Type A and the Type C side. Mainly because of the design. It's very convenient. The nylon braiding keeps it quite stable at all positions. Also, the quality is adequate for the price. I got this on a lightning deal on Amazon. I'll link it down below. Do check it out guys. Thank you for watching. Give a big thumbs up if you did like the video. Do subscribe. Tap the bell icon for more videos like this.